So this is a challenging delivery we had in 2024. As you can see, we have this steep hill going down to tee off with a tennis court. Well, our delivery guy had the idea, instead of bringing his truck down, he'd take this pallet jack with 2 tons of stone and ride it down the hill. Well, let's see what that hill looks like. So as you can see, it's not very wide, and we go down this steep hill to intersect the next street where we have to turn right. And you see at the intersection here is a tennis court. So imagine driving a 2 ton pallet jack into the tennis courts. And then we're gonna have to turn to the right and take it over here to this house over here on the right. So after he got to the top of the hill, he realized riding the pallet jack with no brakes is not a good idea. So he decided, I'll chance it with my truck. So this is about the 10th attempt here. Before he looked like a serpentine coming down the street. Meanwhile, while he was coming down, you see it's not very wide. Several people that insisted on getting into the subdivision would go around him and taking out street signs and a birdhouse. But this is the thing that why we like to be on a job, so we can help coordinate and work out any problems. That's the difference in Hunter Stone's services for our customers.